Hello guys, welcome to today's video. We are going to fix iPhone 6 turn on with black screen issue. Assemble the phone first. Connect the battery connector with DC power supply and press power button to power on. Current reading on the ammeter is normal, which indicates that the phone is turning on, yet with black screen. Detach the display assembly from the phone. And take out the logic board. Connect the battery connector with DC power supply. Short pin 2 of J0801 to the ground with tweezer. The system will then detect power button press. Put the logic board under the microscope and measure supply voltage of LCD connector J2019. There is no 1.8 volts voltage measured on pin 29 on J2019. Outputted from PMU, the 1.8 volts voltage reaches pin 29 on LCD connector, and pin 6 and pin 8 on rear camera connector by rear of FL2027 and L2329. Now we need to measure the rest of components on the circuit and confirm whether there is 1.8 volts voltage measured on them. There is no voltage value measured on FL2027, which is abnormal. The value measured on L2329 is 1.8 volts, which is normal. The value measured on voltage TPPP2510 is 1.8 volts, which is normal. Judging by this, the circuit from PMU to FL2027 has been disconnected, and we need to borrow the 1.8 volts voltage from PP2510. Treat the bonding pad of PP2510 with blade first. Clean with PCB cleaner afterwards. Then apply tints to the bonding pad with soldering iron. Prepare a length of enameled copper wire about 0.02 mm in diameter. Then solder one end of wire to bonding pad of PP2510. And solder the other end to FL2027. Clean with PCB cleaner afterwards. Once done, apply some UV curable solder mask to soldered area. Tips: the soldered 1.8 volts copper wire shouldn't get too close to avoid interfering in display signal at J2019. Wipe off excess UV curable solder mask afterwards. Then put the logic board under the UV dryer lab for solidification. Take out the logic board after 15 minutes. Get the logic board mounted and buckle the display assembly. Warn tips: get the phone full assembled after confirmation of fault clearance. Connect the battery. Press the power button to power on. The phone turns on with normal display. Fault cleared. iPhone 6 turn on with black screen issue fixed perfectly. And this is our iPhone 6 turn on with black screen repair course today. Feel free to visit our official website www.rivatechnology.com. See you next course.